Hi, I am Jatin Singh Bist, 50388857. This is my project for HT task SIT111. So here I made an sorting machine that will sort anything that will come in front of this sensor. This sensor will sense the object in front of it and whenever it senses any object, this motor will turn and goes back to its original position. So that's the basic principle for this machine. And here you can see that I have done all the wirings and attachments, and you can see that this trig is connected to 9. This trig is connected to 9, and the echo is connected to 8. This white wire is echo and this red wire is trig. And you can see that this motor, that's the servo motor I have used in this project, and it is connected to this orange wire 7, and that's the wire for breadboard, and they are ground and 5V. These are connected to this breadboard, and these are ground connected to 5V and ground for sensor and the servo motor. So that's the basic wiring of this, and now I'll show you how it works. So I'll just connect it. Okay, connected. So now here's the code I have used. The servo motor, that's the code, and I have used the library, included the library for servo motor, as I have used servo motor in this project, and it shows the pins like constant. Trig pin is 9, echo pin is 8, servo pin is 7, as I showed you here. And yeah, and I have done the concept like whenever this sensor sees something, the motor will turn and goes back to its original position, and if the sensor sees any other thing, the motor will again turn and goes back to its original position. So the motor will not just move and get stuck. It will goes and come back to its original position. That's the basic principle of this. Yeah, you can see the code. So whenever I'll type active in the screen while I'll be using Linux, it will answer, the machine will answer as machine on, and whenever I'll use inactive, the machine will answer with machine off. And the limit here, as you can see, yeah, the limit here for the sensor to sense anything will be 15. So sensor will send up to 15 centimeter. Yeah, and whenever I'll use the screen, this machine will show that how much the sensor has sensed this thing, up to the sensor has sensed a object in 4 centimeter, in 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter. It will show like that. So now I'll just demonstrate you how this will work. Okay, so now I have fixed some lightings cause it was making a little difficult to see the screen that time. So yeah, so now I'll just type the commands. So let me just type the first one. I'll resume the video. So I have typed this command, and with this command I am finding the Arduino's connected serial port. So to which serial port the Arduino is actually connected, I'll see with that. And before that I'll just do one thing, and it's a device USB and for the Arduino I'll tick. Yeah, so I'll check again, is it connected or not. Yeah, so we can see the tick here, that means the Arduino is connected finally. So okay, so now I'm just entering it. Okay, so now I'll just have to enter my password. Entering my password. Okay, and the password is in, and you can see that it is connected in TTY ACM 0. So that's the thing. So now I'll type the second command. So I'll just resume the video. Okay, so here's the second command. I'll just type the enter, and yeah, it's done. So with this second command actually just prevents the permission denied errors when we try to send like commands to the Arduino, and sometimes it shows permission denied. So with this command it will not show anything like that. So I have just typed enter this command. So okay, so now I'll do the third command. So I'll just resume it. Okay, so here's the third command, and this third command it is to stop the Arduino from resetting every time. Whenever I'll send command from Linux to the Arduino, it will just stop it to resetting. So okay, I'll just enter. Okay, that's also done. So now for the last thing, I'll open my screen. So just let me do it. Okay, so screen command. Yeah. Okay, screen and enter. So now here I have opened the screen in Linux. So now I'll just type active to make the system start. So the machine says machine on. So right now the machine is on. So I'll give you a test for this. Yeah, see, whenever I'm going close, the motor will work, and whenever I'll go back, the motor will go back to its original position. So see, yeah. So here in this terminal we can see that it was showing us object detective thing for like whenever the sensor was detecting any object, it was saying object detected at and the distance. As you can see here that it never shows any distance further than 15, cause the limit I have set for this is 15 only. So that was the basic thing for that. And now if I'll shut this machine, I will just do inactive and enter. See, machine off. So now this machine will not work if I'll try to do the same thing now. So let's just see if it's working or not now. So yeah, so I'll just, yeah, it's not working now. So it means the machine is shut now. So this machine shows that whenever an object will come close to this will move, and we can just join any stick or any sorting arm in this motor. So it will work something like suppose here is the object, and here's the sorting arm. So whenever the sensor sees an object, the motor will just do it like this and throw the object out of that belt or out of that track to sort that particular thing out of the line. So that was the basic principle for this, and that was all for my project. So yeah, thank you.